I am John Watson, and in this video I'm going to walk through the steps to setting up a new Java project using the NetBeans IDE version 8.2. To start a new project, you simply click the New Project button on the toolbar, or you can choose from the File menu and select New Project. In the New Project dialog, make sure that Java is the category and the project type is Java Application, and then click Next. For name and location, you want to be sure that you do not put spaces in your project names. It's technically possible, but you're going to set yourself up for more work later because embedded spaces can cause problems with other tools and applications. It makes it a lot simpler if you just avoid putting spaces in. Also, make sure in your Create Main Class text box you take off the text before your class name. In this case, I've got Hello World in lowercase and a dot. This is known as a project name, or excuse me, a package name. You do not want to have package names for these simple introductory projects. So I've got a project name of Hello World, and I've got a main class of Hello World, and it defaults to the NetBeans project folder in my documents directory. When I click Finish, it creates a new project, and I'm presented with an empty class file. Notice that the class is named Hello World. The project name over here is Hello World, and I've already got my main method. Just to keep it a little simpler, I'm going to take out this extra boilerplate comments that aren't needed for this exercise. Now, just to prove that I've got a working module or a project, I'm going to type in a simple command, system.out.println, open parentheses, quotes. Notice as I type a single character, it automatically finishes things for you. So I'm going to type in Hello World, and then at the end of the line I'm going to put a semicolon. I have no red squigglies, which means no errors. I have no red exclamations. I can now click Save, and I can click the little green arrow here to say Run Project. And when I run it, I can see my output down below. It shows me Hello World. Just to prove it, I'm going to change this and put an exclamation in here and run it. This time I will get Hello World with an exclamation. Now, a couple of things to note. The project name, as I mentioned, is called Hello World, and you'll find this if we look in our Windows File Explorer. Under NetBeans Projects in Documents, there's a Hello World. And you see some folders, including one called Source. By the way, if I go to NetBeans and I switch to the Files tab and open this up, it looks very much like what you see in the Windows Explorer. Build, Project, and Source. Under Source, I've got my Hello World Java. So now my project is up and running, and I can change code and test it.